Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Cooler Master Qube 500 Flat Pack, a mid-tower ATX case that's turning heads with its unique approach to customization. This isn't your typical pre-built chassis. It arrives as a flat pack, inviting you to participate in the build process from the ground up. The Qube 500 boasts full modularity. Panels are swappable, offering a high degree of flexibility in terms of both aesthetics and functionality. The inclusion of a handle, side radiator bracket, and multiple PSU mounting options further enhances its adaptability. Whether you prefer a standing or laying orientation, the Qube 500 accommodates, with versatile feet ensuring easy access to your hardware. A tempered glass panel provides a clear view of the components inside. Cooler Master has also considered thermal performance. The interior can house up to 8 fans, with 7 140mm slots and one 120mm slot, providing ample airflow for air cooling setups. For those who prefer liquid cooling, the case supports various radiator configurations, including dual 280mm radiators and a single 240mm radiator. A pre-installed Sickle Flow Black 120mm fan, known for its PWM control and 1800 RPM speed, is included. The Qube 500 supports eATX motherboards, making it suitable for high-end builds. It also features a vertical GPU mount, allowing you to showcase your graphics card. The case includes a GM mini cable manager to help keep things tidy. For those who enjoy modding, Cooler Master provides 3D printing plans on printables.com, allowing you to create custom parts and truly personalize your build. The flat pack design might seem daunting at first, but the Qube 500 is designed for easy assembly. The swappable panels and modular design make the building process straightforward. The ability to modify the case with 3D printed parts opens up a world of possibilities for customization. The Qube 500 is a strong contender for those seeking a case that offers both performance and customization. Its modular design, support for high-end components, and focus on thermal performance make it a versatile choice for a variety of builds.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.